In today's video, I am going to be sharing you guys a little recap, a rewind in a way, of my duck journey. On my previous video, you saw them living outside fully, and I was going over their outside setup, even though that has changed, so I'll be doing another video with all the changes. But in today's video, I wanted to, for those that are interested on how did we get there, I shared the first couple days and weeks of my ducks, but the last week or so, right before they were outside fully, things did change. The ducks are no longer here. The spot that they were for so many weeks. The last week was a little bit different on how we had the inside brooder set up, using different things to make it, because they were bigger, and so we wanted to make it a little bit easier on all of us on how, and giving them more space. I'm going to share with you what worked for us. And we also will have a link down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out, of our Amazon store of all my duck things that I have used and loved. So if it's easier for you, quick and convenient, you can see everything I use and see things that you want to give a try. So as you saw the previous videos, we had the two totes, I think there were 77 gallons, that worked really well for us. So as the ducks kept getting older, moving on from 4 weeks, moving closer to 5 weeks, they're a lot bigger, and we did have them outside majority of the day, but they still came inside at night. So we had to come up with a new system. So luckily we bought this clear container for them that we would put them outside to have a really contained area, as they had some outside time when they were little. And I saw somebody else say you can also use that as your indoor brooder. I was like, oh, great idea. So we used that, but then we needed a base. So we put some of quilts down just for extra, quilts and towels down on my floor just for extra protection. Then on top of that, we put a tarp down. Then we put the clear container, and then inside of it, we did still have the tray that we were using for the water. Still was working really good for us, so we continue that. And then we just sprinkled in some hemp and pine bedding on top of that to make it a little bit more cozy and comfortable for them. And it was a lot better. It was bigger for these ducks, because at this size, going 5 to 6 weeks, they are a lot bigger, pretty much almost full grown and ready to start being ready to be put outside. So this was our setup at each night for about a week or so, or I would say a week, about at least 7, maybe 8 days. It was like this, and the cleanup was a little bit different than the brooder. So we had to pick up the clear tote each morning, take it outside to rinse it, because again the poop was up all on the sides. Then we also lifted up the tarp carefully, like we would fold it up, and we have to carefully carry the tarp outside my house to make sure, and then to go and hose it off. And that, that part wasn't too difficult. It was just different. Then it was time to say goodbye to my ducks living inside my house, which again, it's a hit or miss. Like, I loved hearing them. I love having the safety that they're safe here inside my home, that no predator is going to get them. But I also knew they belonged outside, like I mentioned in other videos. So this setup worked pretty well for us. Whenever we get ducks again, I'll probably do the same type of system once again. And my next video is going to be about the other duck coop changes that we have done, and I will be doing a video on how we introduce our ducks to water and any other new things, gadgets, things that I've been using and really liking that has made a big difference on having ducks on our property. And that's it. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. Make sure you give this video a like for all duck things, homestead talk, and make sure you subscribe to Michelle and I's channel so you don't miss any video from us in this whole YouTube world. Doing all that means so much to Michelle and I, just really helps our videos get out for more people to see. So we love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.